saw your question on discussion board. You want to convert pi tenths radians to degrees. Okay, to convert pi tenths radians to degrees, you multiply it by 180 degrees over pi radians. Then I start simplifying the pi's in the top, and here's the pi's in the bottom, so they'll divide out. The radians will drop out, and it'll leave you just 180 degrees over 10. That simplifies to 18 degrees. There's no decimal part here, so the minutes and the seconds are both 0. So we didn't have, essentially you're done here. Some of them you may have to convert to you may have to multiply a decimal part by 60 to get minutes, and then multiply a decimal part by 60 again to get seconds. We didn't have to do that because there's no decimal part here. Hope this helps.